Hello, my name is Sandra Wills of the Graphics House, and this is another video in my series, Learning How to Use Constant Contact's marketing tools. Today we're going to talk about email automation. Email automation can be used for several things. It's when you set up a series of emails or one email to go out based on a particular trigger. So let me show you how it works. Okay, first we're going to go to our Create button like we do with any campaign in Constant Contact. And we're going to select Email Automation. So you can have this automated series where you add a contact to a list when they open a certain email or when they click a link. Or you could have a welcome email series. When someone joins your list, you can automatically send them an email saying, welcome to your list. You can send birthday emails. With your clients, if you have their birthdays, and you can automatically trigger to send them a greeting on that particular date on their birthday, or you can send an anniversary if it's like when they started working with you or anything like that. So let's go with the automated series. So I'm just going to name this test series for now, just to show you how it works. And so this is where you pick the type of trigger. You can have an email trigger once they open a certain email, once they click a link, once they join a certain list. If a contact joins your list, this is where you might want to send them a welcome email. And then there's one for e-commerce for Shopify. So let's say when they click a link. So you can set up an email that you will be part of the series, or you can copy from an existing email if you already have an email created. So let's copy from an existing email. So here's some of the other videos in my learning series. So let's select the welcome series, the welcome video. So this is the welcome video when someone joins my list and they're welcome to this series. So the trigger will be, I've got some specific links here that I have set up. We'll select this one. So let me give you an example. If you were going to create a link on a social media post, they would click this link and then it would bring them to the list and they would get this series of emails that you've created. So we'll save that. And see, here is your the series trigger. When they click a specific link in this email, then you can set the time limit. If you wait a certain amount of days, then you send them the next email in the series. So they got the first email, so then maybe next I would send them the survey email. And so then you can continue to add to the series. And right now it's saying wait 4 days, but you can change that. You can make it 2 days or 3 days or whatever you want. So if I said every 3 days, then send this email. And you would have to do that for each one if you changed it. So see, you can add as many as you want to. I think I have 7 in this series. And so the trigger is when they click on this link, then they'll get this email. After another 3 days, they'll get another email, and so on. And so once you've got everything set up the way you want it correctly, then you just click it to activate it. And it's all set to go. You put that link in social media. You can put it on your website. You can put it in a blog post. You can even put it in a text. And what it'll do, once it'll take them to a certain list. Like in my case, I've got a sign-up form here. Let's see. And see, once they click the link, it brings them here. And then they sign up. They put their email, their first name, last name, click sign up. And it's going to take them, it's going to add them to my list. and automatically starts sending them the emails. So if you want to do that for birthdays, you just have a different trigger and set it for a certain date. So that's just a basic overview of how email automation works. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned something new. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.